Hi everyone, and this is ihilalahmadd and you are watching Soft Coding. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a circular progress bar like this. So if I click on the start button, so it will start the progress, okay? And if I click on this stop button, so it will stop the progress bar. And don't worry about the size of this progress bar, you can change it in your XML file. Okay, so let's start our video. Open up your Android Studio and create a new project and go to activity main.xml. So first of all, let's delete this text view from here, and we need to add a progress bar. And as you can see here, we have two progress bar. The one is circular and the second one is horizontal. So we will pick the circular progress bar, and I will just drag and drop here. Just connect the constraint, okay, and now we will add our two buttons at the bottom, and here it is. Okay, so I just need to change the IDs to btn start, and it will change this button ID, and I will just change it to btn stop. Okay, so we need to connect the constraint of these buttons, and we need to add a margin of 8 to this from left side and to this button from right side, sorry, 8. And I just want to change the text of the button. So okay, first let me connect this constraint to this button, okay, to top. And now we will change this to match parent and match parent, okay, so to 0. And as you can see here, it is a very big progress bar. And now let's change the text of buttons. It will be start, and this will be the stop button. And we will set the visibility of our progress bar to invisible. So at the first it will be invisible to the user. Now we have to initialize our buttons, and let me zoom this in. Open your Java file, and button btn start is equal to find view by id or .id btn start, okay, button btn stop find view by id btn stop, okay. And now we need our progress bar here. So progress bar, I will call it progress bar find view by id progress bar 2, okay. This is the id of our progress bar. If you want to change it, so you just have to change it to progress bar, and we will copy this and paste it here, so we don't have any error now. And now we need to set a click listener on our button. So and the second one will be, I will just simply copy and paste it here, and I will just change it to btn stop. And here we need to show our progress bar. So progress bar dot set visibility visible, and I will copy and paste this here, and I will change it to something like invisible. Yes, invisible. Now we need to close this application, and we will run it again from here. Okay, so we will click on start, so it will start our progress bar. And if we need to stop it, so we will click the stop button. So this is the circular progress bar, and this is how you can show it in your application. So if you like this video, then share this video with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel for new upcoming videos.